The patient is a 1980 vintage frequency meter that was made by Omega Engineering. It has two inputs in the back, a 1 mega-ohm input and a 50 ohm input for up to 600 megahertz bandwidth. This particular model ran either on AC power or it had NiCad batteries inside that would store a charge for a little while and you could use it in portable mode. The symptoms are as follows. We're getting digits and we are getting the strobe light. Not sure if you can see that. Let's see if we can get that up close. You can see the strobe light. So we know the gate appears to be working. I'm going to switch the gate from 1/10 of a second to 1 second. And you see that the LED over here is indeed switching to 1 second. And we'll try a gate of 10 seconds. And there she goes, right there. So the logic appears to be working, but no matter what we try, we're coming up zeros. Now, right now, I'm pumping 238 kilohertz through here. And what I'm going to try and do is bump it up to 2 megahertz. And we will try it here, 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 and gate. So nothing's happening in terms of signal getting from here to the counter portion. At least that's the operating assumption I'm going under. So what I'm going to do is pause the video and I'm going to pop open the top, have a look inside, and we'll come back after I've had a little probe. See you shortly.